What's up, YouTube? A few months ago I decided to order the Black Oktagon low dB exhaust system for my Yamaha MT09 from 2019. I tried researching it on YouTube before ordering to see what it sounded like, but I could not find anything. I found one video of a Swedishraceparts exhaust system, but it wasn't the one that I ordered. So I decided that I would make my own video as soon as it arrived. So here's the box. I have not unpacked it yet, so we will do that together. Yeah, so let's see what we have. So, here it is, Dominator exhaust system. Looks like that. This is the mounting brackets, exhaust pipe, and the exhaust sensor outlet. We also have some nuts and bolts in here to mount it all with. So yeah, I'm excited to see what this will sound like. It looks very good. So yeah, let's mount this up and we will go for a test drive.
One eternity later.
I was thinking that I would do a few runs up and down this road so you can hear how the original exhaust of the MT09 sounds. So I just did a few runs back and forth on this road with the original exhaust. I hope that the GoPro and this camera made a good job of representing what the sound sounds like in real life. Most often than not, it doesn't really come through that well on video as in real life, but I'm pretty sure that we will hear a pretty clear difference between the original exhaust and the new one. So yeah, the next clip with new exhaust comes here. Okay, so I've had a few runs up and down this road with the Dominator exhaust now. I'm not quite sure that I will do the ECU flash quite yet, because I still have 2 years left on the guarantee. And if you do the ECU flash, that voids the guarantee you have on the bike. So I'm not quite sure if I will actually change back to the original system and then put it back on once the warranty has expired, and then do the ECU flash. I had the GoPro on as well when I rode here from the house to this spot. So you can compare as well, just out cruising with the original system and the Dominator one. So yeah, that's it for today. Thanks guys.